On our last webinar, I requested people to use videos when they're sending emails instead of pictures. Imagine that there is a birthday and you're sending your client a small picture with, a bear holding balloons. Come on, it doesn't work anymore. Everybody's sending the same picture. But imagine that you will take a video of your team and the team congratulate your client with happy birthday and everybody's happy. Woo! That looks good. That looks good. Change, be creative. Now, people came back to me and said that it's impossible to add video to the email. Now, they are right. It's impossible to embed a video on email. Correct. But get creative. Okay? So check it out. So if we go in here, I'm using Zoho Campaigns, but you can use any software. It works with everything. And I'm dragging a picture into the email. I'm going to select an image. And now I have the image. Once I'm clicking on the image, I'm clicking on the link option. And then I'm going to have a link on the picture, which means when someone will get the email and he will click on the picture, he will go to YouTube to see the video. Now, you can get smart and you will tell me, look, no one knows that it's linkable. So let's do something like that. You're going to Google Images and you Google for YouTube play button. You will go down to the tools and you will go to license and you will select labeled for use because you like to use a picture, a photo of a play button that is not licensed, right? Now, once you do that, you copy the play button and then you go to your Photoshop, and in the Photoshop, you just place the play button in the middle. Now, once you export and save, you go back to your campaigns, and then you change, not that, almost, you click on the image, and you put the other one, the picture with the play button. And now you cannot tell me that it's not clickable, because people know when they see the play button, they want to click on it, right? So this is how you do it. That's it. Very, very simple. Now, if you have more questions, please email me, ask me, get creative, do good marketing. Don't be like the others. Don't be like the other 94% that's closing their business in the first 10 years. Be creative. Do crazy things. It's marketing. It's fun. See you next time.